Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing one high-impact, finishable project you can explain in minutes. Explain why it matters and what you built. You want clarity over quantity. Once chosen, put code on GitHub, add a concise README, and include screenshots or demo links so reviewers can verify work fast. Make sure to quantify results, load times, user counts, or algorithm speed, because numbers beat vague claims, and these first steps establish credibility before experience does. You now convert what you built into crisp resume entries that hiring managers read in 6 seconds. Use action verbs, list the tech stack, and attach measurable outcomes, reduced latency by 30% or implemented feature used by end testers. Once done, add short lines for coursework, open source commits, and any Mina certifications that demonstrate learning. Make sure to mirror keywords from target job descriptions, so automated filters pass your resume and human reviewers instantly see relevant skills. You finish by polishing a concise objective, 3 targeted bullets per application, and a clean contact header. Practice a 60 to 90-second pitch for each key project and have a live demo or screenshots ready to share. When you apply, prioritize quality over volume. 10 tailored applications beat 100 generic ones. If you hit rejections, ask for feedback, add a small fix or feature to your project, and resubmit. This iterative loop is the only way to turn zero experience into hired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.